I'm Susan. I'm the nutritionist here at the Remedy Pharm. I have Amina, our manager and pharmacist. She's also the hormone specialist with us here. Today I wanted to talk a little bit about detoxification. It's kind of the buzzword now. Everybody knows about detoxification and how important that is to do periodically. There are a lot of different ways to detox. It's really important to make sure that you have a program that has all the minerals and vitamins and nutrients needed for the organs that are working really hard to clear those toxins so they can do their job.
Oh, okay.
So do you have some questions, I think,
Yes.
about the program?
Well, I guess for me, it'd be, who's the ideal candidate?
Really, anybody.
Okay.
Anybody and everybody is a good idea in the environment that we live in. We have toxins everywhere. Toxins are in our food, toxins are in the air, toxins are sprayed on our crops. We live in a city, so everybody really could use to go through a program once or twice a year. Pregnant women I probably would modify it.
Okay.
For pregnant women, I would modify it, but
That's
certainly with the detox program, basically what you're doing is you're taking the bad stuff out. You don't want to keep adding toxins while you're trying to free up the ones that you have stored.
Okay.
So you're eating,
Yeah.
which a lot of people think that you're fasting, and that's not true. You want to eat. It's not calorie restriction.
Okay.
You can eat as much of the foods that are healthy for you as you want. A lot of companies have put together programs and products, and we tried to simplify it because
Okay,
people
great.
come in and have a lot of questions. So
do
in
we got
one
here?
kit, you've got everything you need. You've got protein powder, you've got, there's fiber, which is really important
Okay.
to pull the toxins and have them released. Magnesium is really important. It helps keep your bowels regular because you want to be going to the bathroom to get those toxins out.
Okay. What else we got?
There's
Oh, I love curcumin.
yes, it's great. With toxicity, usually is a lot of pain and inflammation.
Okay.
So curcumin is great for that. So we've included that as well. We've included fruits and vegetables are critical, and a lot of people don't eat a lot of those. So we've got, there's 20 different servings of fruits and vegetables in a powder. It tastes really good. You can mix it all together in your shake.
Okay.
And then you've got a couple of capsules. We tried to keep the capsules down because people
Pill
don't like to
burden
take-
and people just don't like that. Yeah.
So it's it's a very, very complete, easy to do protocol. We have a guide here that goes through everything. It has the products, how you take them.
Are we doing mostly shakes? Is that what this is? Is it once or twice a day?
Some
or?
shakes you ramp up. So you start with 1 shake a day,
Okay.
and then you go to 2 shakes a day.
Okay.
You can go to 3 shakes a day if you
Okay.
want to, but a lot of people just stop at 2. A lot of times people like to do it for breakfast. It's really easy breakfast.
Yeah, true.
And then you can do it in an afternoon for a snack, or when you get home from work, before you're cooking dinner. It kind of takes that hunger off. You know, a lot of people come home from work hungry, and so they're
Yes.
grabbing chips or whatever
Yes.
is there. So
I'm
that
sure there's a
takes
better
that-
alternative than
yeah,
the chips.
Yeah. So it's very complete and easy to do. So people are loving it, getting great results from it. Weight loss, better sleep, clearer skin.
How many weeks is this over?
It's a 4-week program.
Okay.
Total. Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
How about our vegan patients?
Totally vegan.
Oh.
Yeah. So the protein powder is from plants.
Okay.
So totally vegan.
Okay,
Yeah.
awesome.
So it's good for everybody. If people who aren't vegan, and they want to eat chicken or fish, those are all clean proteins, which is good to do as well. But yeah, it's great for vegans and vegetarians.
So is this also for like age restriction? Are there any age restrictions? You would say
There are not really age restrictions. Little children, probably not so much,
Yeah.
because there are some capsules,
Okay.
but they can do the shake. It's just nutrition.
Yeah.
It's like a smoothie. Everybody should really be eating this way. It's just healthy, whole foods.
This is
you take the
wonderful.
processed foods out.
Yeah.
It's really pretty delicious. People get so used to processed foods they
Yeah.
kind of forget what real food actually tastes
Yes,
like. So
yes, I've heard
it's
that
a
a
way
lot.
to get back in touch with nature.
Awesome. Thank you, Susan.
You're welcome.
Thanks, everybody, for joining us for the LEAP protocol. Health Minute. Have a nice day.